Holy shit. I am so late, but I was recording, or sorry, I was trading on my phone in the taxi on the way here. Holy shit. Left my wallet in my other jacket, so I have to get that later. But it is safe. It is in a safe jacket. A stray jacket. Let's see. I am recording. Audio's good. All right. So, I did enter the trade on my phone, and I will explain why once I. Okay. Get that bulky ass jacket off. Oh, God. What the fuck is going on with my hair? No, not better. All right. Well, we're keeping the hat on because I can. Okay. So, let's fix this. So 600. I wanted to give myself some fucking breathing room with these trades because I'm using an eval. I'm shooting for stars. Like, there is so much drawdown to the downside. I am looking forward to these shorts. So I will explain many reasons why. The many reasons why I am in this trade right now. And okay, wait, my final target, I want to be off of this 4-hour fair value gap. Final target 160, very far away, very possible though. 160. Yeah, okay. All right. So, okay, where do I start? So I basically was only looking at NASDAQ. So, okay, I will explain a high confluence that I saw that made me want shorts for the day as opposed to longs. There's a few good reasons. Here is my biggest one right now that I didn't notice until I was in the car. So, if you see right here, these are both green. There's a take profit. Okay. Um take profit. Okay. These are the areas of liquidity that I've been looking for so long. Well, not so long, but like since I've been recording this, I think I marked out these lows on Monday, maybe? I don't know. I'm not sure. But, okay. So, obviously, we see here that S&P, the ES, rejected 4 times off of this level. Okay. Look at here. See this? This candle on the right is shorter than this candle on the left. Okay, that sounds confusing. ES, this candle, see how right here, see where my cursor is? See how this is lower than the candle to the left. This one is higher than the one to the right, meaning that is, wait, no, I'm looking at the wrong time frames, aren't I? Okay, no, we're good. That means that is high ass time frame, daily candle, bearish SMT. In a fair value gap. Wait, is this a fair value gap? Am I tripping? So yeah, we still haven't fully closed above this. What is this? What am I looking at? Inversion. Oh, that's an inversion. Is it? That's not. Okay, this is a fair value gap. Whatever. Okay. I don't know what that is. Inversion. This is not. What is it marking? I don't know what that's marking, but yeah, I mean on yes we are in a bearish fair value gap. So I just see us only sweeping all this resting liquidity to the downside. Realistically, we could even set our full take profit at, I think 160 will be enough for the eval. But realistically, I think 137 or 135, whatever this low is, this high, I think that is going to be the very bottom for today. I think we are going to absolutely tank down 200 points and then probably retrace back up after fully closing this daily fair value gap. We could even reach lower to here, but God, why do I keep clicking the wrong shit? Luckily that didn't pop up. Okay, we're good. So let's mark out some more targets. So we have 323, 26650. What is that? I believe that's an hourly low. 26650. Yeah, we can throw one there. Let's see. 266. We'll do 267. 267. Limit buy. All right, and then 210. I imagine that's one. Yeah, 210. So yeah, we had high ass time frame bearish SMT. So look, we didn't on ES on a daily time frame, we didn't sweep the previous day high right here. And we did on the NASDAQ. So I mean, and then look here, this is a higher high. This is a lower high on a daily time frame. So not only did that not get swept, that's a whole ass candle that's bearish. I mean, and realistically, what are our stops at? Our stops could be at these highs. I think I put them at 600, right? 600. Yeah, I mean, I just don't see it going up there. I believe that was off of, yeah, it was about the closure of a 4-hour fair value gap. So we'll move that up a little bit more. So it's fully above that. I don't see it fully closing it at all. I mean, it could even add, I might even add one contract right here, which is basically my break even. But I mean, no, we don't really need to because of how far down this is gonna go. I mean, we don't really need to size up more. Maybe one more. No, I'm kidding. Okay, but yeah, we don't need to because this is a A+ trade. So, and then look at this as well. See how many times we rejected off of that? I mean, I just don't see it going higher than that. NASDAQ also on a 4-hour time frame broke structure right here. Higher high, lower low, high low, high, lower low, closing way below this. The only thing I see is this 4-hour fair value gap holding it up because it did already once yesterday, but I don't see it happening again because it's already been closed. Not closed. I don't know. I just see the structure, the way the structure is going, it just looks down, down, down. I mean, I think this is pretty okay, pretty A1. Okay. Yeah, and this is also, but that's also bullish SMT right there. But higher time frame holds higher power. Not every SMT is the same. We don't treat them the same. And look at that. There's a huge ass bearish fair value gap. Change of structure to the downside. I mean, Look at that. It's just, what more can we ask for? Like, even if this, I don't see it going above this level though, 600. So we moved our stops to 610. Let's see how the hourly fair value gap. I mean, 645. Some wide ass stops. That would be not even, that wouldn't even be that bad of an RR though. I don't see it going up there. And if we take that, that's minus 2,000. That's fucking fine. Whatever. No, okay. Bad idea. Bad idea. Higher time frame. Higher time frame. All right. Well, and even though it can just go up here, theoretically can sweep the highs as well before going to the downside, but I don't see that happening at all. So yeah, we're just gonna wait and let this play out. And then also I saw on a 15-minute, yeah, that's around where I entered at. I saw that it kept rejecting off of this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. So, and that's a huge ass candle, big ass candle. And then I did originally have my stops at above this 15-minute high, but then I looked at a 30-minute and this is leaving already a bearish fair value gap. So I was like, it's probably gonna retrace back into that and then reject again off of it. So I was like, let's move my stops pretty wide. I mean, we are targeting some far ass ranges, so only fair for us to be able to give our stops some breathing room. And also, I have been impatient, so be it, maybe, about in regards to sizing and getting a funded account. I had funded accounts before, and then I lost most of them due to me being dumb, whatever. But I did get 4 payouts already, and I haven't gotten once in like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever, because I it's impossible because I don't have fundeds. And it's not like I don't have the capital to be able to leverage my money a little bit and, you know, get some more fundeds, but so be it. All right. We are super red right now. But this could leave us opportunity to enter shorts on a different account. I don't see it going further than that fair value gap. I mean, yeah, we're just closing the gaps. But yeah, I mean, we are in bearish structure. There we go, a little bit of rejection. All right. Well, that was my trade idea for the day. Yeah, 30-minute breaker structure, hourly breaker structure, 4-hour breaker structure, like it's just looking great. I mean, the worst thing that can happen is we get stopped out, but I know we're going down. We are going down. I mean, oh, also, did I mention this? Let's see this for bearish fair value gap has not been disrespected yet. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times on a 4-hour time frame, this goddamn gap has been disrespected. I mean, respected. Meaning it hasn't had a single candle closure above it, closing it, inversing it. So this is a fucking... This would be crazy if it did. I mean, that is pretty far away. I do like these lows. It is only 80 points. It's 80 points from the high. I mean, I don't know. We're just waiting. We're just seeing what's going down. But we do have to get these goddamn evals moving, because the way I trade, I mean, I should not be. I understand that it takes patience. It takes time to pass the fundeds, but I am not a novice, so trading on evals is not ideal for me. Well, I am grateful though. I am so sad that my trip is ending, but I'm so grateful for it. I mean, absolutely unbelievable what this trip has brought me.
Order filled.
God damn it, I did on ES. Oh god, I always fucking do
Order
shit
filled.
like that's so funny. It's because I'm always switching between MNQ and ES. I don't know why. But yeah, I mean, if we take a loss on this account would basically be done. We'd have about $1,000 in drawdown left. The other accounts have way more drawdown, so I'm not worried about those ones. This one would be a little bit worse off, but hey man, we gotta treat these evals like the tools that they are. I know I seem so bittersweet. I was late because I went to a cafe with my good buddy Jacob, and that's the last time I can ever say that I'm going to that cafe, and I love that cafe so much. I'm gonna miss it. What do we think? Should we switch over to another account and put a stop loss like right here? 40 points. No, let's just focus on these. I mean, that's why I'm not the biggest fan of crappie trading, because theoretically I could enter right here on a different account as opposed to all having the same entry. But I mean, we should be treating these trades like with the perfect RR anyway. So I don't know. It's a bit conflicting. Oh, I gotta see if that video got copyrighted. I was just like winging it to see if it would upload even. Copyright, no views. Damn. So I gotta fix that somehow. I gotta like speed up the times when we were singing our songs. I was like, I didn't think about it until after. It just says copyright. Does that mean it's posted? Because this one says copyright. This one says copyright. Is it available? I guess I gotta see on like another account if that is available. Well, it's already dark. 4:10. No, it's not dark yet. It's getting there. I'm gonna get my water. My sparkling water. So I just gotta look up like music that's not copyright for YouTube, I guess. I don't know. The Spotify Wrapped came out. My top artist was Mac Miller. Who would have thought? Is that gonna be backwards? I think it is. Well, we got Mac Miller, number one, Bones, number two, which is kind of surprising. Lil Peep, number three. I thought that would be number two. Puya at number four. That one really threw me off. I did not, no, I did not expect Puya to be anywhere in my top artists. Jungle, number five. That's also reasonable. And then my top song was Free Throw by Bones, Trauma by Bones, Beat 45 by Jungle, and then Cream by Aaron May, and then Skeleton Raps by Bones. So three of my top songs were Bones. That was like some real fuel for my workouts around summertime. I mean, that was a time. That was a time. I want to play these songs, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Copyrighted. No, it seems so quick and easy. Well, we are going to have a shorter video today because I was late. I actually would have been like 10 minutes earlier, but the Uber that I called got a flat tire as he pulled up. So I was like, here, I took a picture. You can't even tell, huh? I should probably turn my colors on if I'm showing something. And no, when I turned my brightness up on the last video, it literally made it impossible to see. There we go. There it was. I waited 10 minutes for that Uber. And then he pulled up and was like, you should probably call another Uber. And I was like, cool. I'm going to do that. All right, let's scale down. Let's see what we're looking at. More rejections. Perfect. That is perfect. 30-minute. I'm going to need you to fork right off and stay there. Be afraid of that fair value guy. Oh, I saw a thing too that was reverse psychology of the market, saying I don't want to hit my TPs. Why the fuck would I want to hit that? Don't hit my TP, please. Actually, don't hit my take profit. Nah, like I don't fucking care. Like don't hit my take profit. That would suck. Ha 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 ha. No, it's dude. I don't want to leave. Ugh. I'm so sad. Maybe when we sweep these lows, we might. Dude, that's been my problem. My problem has been moving my stop loss. And then I get stopped out, and then I'm like, I want to re enter. So we are going to stay more patient today. Maybe when we hit 25324, we'll move our stops. 25324, 100 points down. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Staying patient. Oh yeah, and we did end that last video on a loss because of my um stupid decisions, I guess. I don't know. That was bad on my part. I mean, you know, we're still bearish on all this shit. I just don't want it to get stopped out. Actually, fuck it. Whatever. Stop me out. Yeah, so I would like for it not to go higher than that. Well, what's there to talk about? Nobody actually watches this shit. Maybe they will when I'm like $1 million trader and shit. They'll be like, yeah, this was him back in the day. Back when he was a novice trading. Big old little noob guy. Trading all this sides on a eval account. In Europe. Not knowing what he's doing. Just kidding. Just kidding. I know what I'm doing. Just not as much as I know I can be. I know I could be. Doing so much more. But we'll get there. It takes time. It takes time to be a trader. If someone told you it would take a year of you making no money, no, never mind. If someone told you it'd take a year of you making no money, but by the end of that year, you'd be making more than you were making before, working less hours, and the only thing stopping you from making more and more is time and experience. So let's say I'm making 100K by next year, sometime next year. 100K a year. Well, okay, on path. Like, let's say I don't make money for the first 3 months, which I don't see that happening. But the first 3 months, let's say I don't make any money. And then I start making a 10K a month, and then a 12K a month, and then another 10K, and then a 14K. Would you take that? I'd fucking take that any day of the goddamn week. Of course I would. Who wouldn't take that? It just takes a lot of fucking patience. A lot of patience. A lot of faith. Trusting yourself. A lot of people telling you that it's bullshit, and you know, how long is it gonna take? Like, it's gonna take years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Everyone's on a different path. I'm not worried at all. You can have a bad month and still 11 out of the 12 months still be profitable. Then the fuck? I'm just yapping at this point. But keep going. Take the risk. If you don't like something about yourself, change it. Because why the fuck would you stay in your comfort zone and never change? It's that easy. Well, so far we still haven't gone higher than this level, which I do like. Even though we are in red, I do like that we have, but we also have been respecting this. This is a 5 minute though. I mean, what level is that? Oh shit. Took some liquidity in this bitch. Alright. Oh no, we didn't. Maybe we did on ES. Let's see. We did. Bearish SMT. Right? What candle is that? Yeah, okay. We did. I ain't worried. I'm like even tempted to move my stops to like all the way up here, but then at that point we'll just sweep the highs and then probably shoot down from there. So blah 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 blah. Does it sound like I'm talking nonsense? Who the fuck watches this shit? No one watches this shit anyway. Does it sound like I'm talking a bunch of nonsense? If you know the concepts, then no, I wouldn't. But I don't know. Maybe I am. Can't believe I left my wallet. Oh, it's 4:30. It is dark. So very dark. So very sad. I realized in the last video too, I probably shouldn't like make a bunch of noise like I was with like the tea. Not the tea, the protein hot chocolate shit I was trying to make. Yeah, I read on the thing, I translated it. I don't know if this is common for every protein, but it says use cold water. I don't know. I didn't know that. Because I translated it after using Google Translate. Took a picture of the instructions on the protein thing. Yeah, and it said use cold water, so I don't know if that's common knowledge. Ball knowledge, I don't know. Couldn't tell you. Could not tell you. I just bit my tongue. All right. I'm gonna need this to get some volume in this bitch. Well, damn, I look short as hell. Probably shouldn't be smacking my gum either. Damn, gang, I look pale as fuck. I want one of these. Ugh. Actually, wait, I'm not gonna show that. Here, that one's better. I want one, but there's no point in me opening one for just one cigarette. And then it's gonna turn to 3, and then 4, and 5, and 6, and 7. No, I'm kidding. I just like why are Europeans like this? Why can they smoke like so many cigarettes and just it's so much fun. It's so much better. And then I go back to United States and I look like a tweaker homeless guy that smokes cigarettes all the time. Even though I don't even smoke them all the time. I smoke them like sometimes when I'm drinking, and I don't even drink. Damn, I get it. I haven't seen my mom in 2 days. I haven't seen my mom since July. Like I said, since I left. Isn't that kind of sad for a mother? My poor mother. I've been gone. Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I'm gonna try. 'Cause there'll be no tears, skies, if I lose you, babe. Okay, well, I never know what to do at times like these because there's only so much you can do. I mean, yes, I can keep watching, I can keep managing my trade, but that's my way of segueing into little chessy chess. Okay, last time I played, I fucking lost so fast because I wasn't even doing what the whole point of this is, which is me saying what I'm doing out loud so I can verbalize what I'm doing. I'm looking at that green line in the left. That's where price is at, and that's my stop loss. So we're about halfway there, gang. So I'm gonna bring my guy out to put some development in this bitch. Okay, he can most definitely do that, and if he brings that out, I'm okay with that as well. He might not. Okay. So he's attacking that while also attacking that, and then I move there, and then I have to move there. So I'm just gonna take that first. No, I have to deal with that. I don't even have to take that either. I can double up, attack that bit pawn, attack this pawn. Okay. I'm gonna take that with my pawn so I can keep pressure on this one. And now I am going to bring my bishy into this bitch. Try and target this square. And now I put double pressure on this pawn as well. So I can take this pawn now. Correct? Yep. Let's take the pawn. Now we're up a pawn. And he's gonna move that. Okay. That's fine. I'm okay with that. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna move my queen here. He takes, I take with the knight, and then I have this square, which is a good square because he's probably gonna move there and then just move it back into non-developed shit. Okay, now we want to go here. He's attacking that bitch. Let's put pressure. Let's go do that. Well, we're about to get stopped out, I think. Fuck it. We ball. All right. So yeah, he did exactly what I thought he would. I'm basically a wizard in this bitch. Now though, I can check him. I would like for him to move there. Let's queenside castle. So we can push this bitch up. I like this check, so I gotta wait for him to like Give me something. I don't want him. We might bring our king up. How much time we got? Oh my god, we got way less time than he does. Okay, well, that's not very nice of him. I don't hate that. But that's just not very nice. Okay, okay. We're moving our king because we're defending this and this. Because before, he had a lot of pressure. Let's talk about pressure. I don't feel pressure. I like this. Attacking his rook. Basically saying, get the fuck out of my lane, bitch. And he just forked that. And we just won. Okay. Is he going to time waste? Well, we're done for. We are still going to stay on the charts, though, because these shorts, man, these shorts are looking nice. We're just going to wait to see how it reacts off the top here. Because if it does sweep these highs, then I would like a possible entry. Just after rejection and then stop loss at the highs. So, miss. All right. We're done with that. Damn, bro. We're starting to lag again. What a great long that would have been. I mean, yeah, everything is still screaming bearish. This is just making a new high. 4 hour has so much time to work with. So yeah, we're just gonna see how we react. Looks like we just want to sweep some lows. I don't know. I want to sweep some lows, sweep some lows. This lighting is not very good. So tomorrow we'll be trading. Friday I might be able to on my phone. We'll see. We'll see how distracted I am. We'll see how settled I am into the airport station. But definitely can't put a video out on Friday. And then tomorrow we will be able to. And then yeah, other than that, my next trading video would be in Chicago, and that would be at 8:30 market open. So I would probably start at 8:15, which ain't bad. I mean, I did that in Colombia for the longest time. I yeah, traded at 8:30, so I mean, that's not bad at all. 6:30 though, not gonna be fun. 6:30 will not be fun, but we move, we ball. We gotta stay out of our comfort zone anyway. Can't get too comfortable. Bitch, don't get too comfortable. Better not get too comfortable. I'm getting sleepy. Should I go take a nap in between videos? Whole lot of nothing. 5 minute. Yeah, I think we getting stopped out, gang. If you ask me. We'll see how it reacts off of this. I doubt. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out, Mr. Gang. Mr. Gangeth. Jesus Christ. What a fucking wick, son. Okay, well, I guess we're back from that little hiatus of a whole bunch of nothing, but it is now looking a lot better. I mean, I just didn't want to get stopped out, but now we made a bearish SMT correct right here. Made a higher high. We swept this high. Low, low. And even besides that, being in a bearish fair value gap, we haven't disrespected it. Also, on a higher time frame, are still looking pretty damn bearish. Bearish. Bears. Where the bears? I mean, this could be a high, and it would have to go quite high and close for that to still be considered. Holy shit, look at that tiny little fucking gap. Sorry. Wait, how close are we to getting stomped out? Low 605.50. High 605.25. There is a quarter bearish fair value gap right here. A quarter of a point. What the fuck? That shit got closed on ES. What the hell? Look at that. Okay, well, yet again, we are just gonna, keep brain rotting and letting our shit do our shit. Yeah, I think that's the highest it'll go. And if we keep getting lower, what is our entry? Our entry is 500, isn't it? 47. What a fucking shit entry. Dare we? Okay, we'll do one contract. One. No, not MES, MNQ.
Order filled.
One contract. Stops right there. Targeting the low. And we will ignore that. Yeah, okay. Well, back to brain rotting, I guess. Wow. How are we not stopped? Well, bad day, boys and girls, no matter. We move. We move forward. Mate, how the fuck is this shit not stopping out? What the fuck? We actually got edged so hard there. Now we're fucking inverse and everything. Okay. Okay. Oh, just stopped thinking about you. Look at that. Hourly, we didn't even break structure. So, this trade is looking good, but we just had very, very bad entries. And I am so surprised we did not get stopped out there. I mean, that was unbelievable to not get stopped out by zero point 0.5 points, and now we are halfway far away from our SL. What can I say? Who the fuck? Hang on.
Oh my gosh.
I'm in a trade right now.
Is that an actual mask or is that digital? I can't even tell. No. Oh my gosh. What's going on, Ray?
Yeah, for Halloween, a backup
That's what you were?
from me being Jesse Pinkman. Was
I
me
don't know
being
who that is.
BoJack Horseman. But that
Oh.
didn't All right, gang. I'm gonna go fuck off real quick. I am gonna go for a walk. I'm definitely gonna get stopped out though. Why is this like? Why is the screen black? All right, peace out, gang. I'm out this B word. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out yet again. L, L, L. We took the L today. Yet again, kind of. Not yet again, but whatever. We ball, we move forward. We do what we can do. In the future, we will get better. It's all a process. Whatever. Fuck off. Fuck you. Also, after, if whatever happens with these 150K accounts, I'm never buying one again. Sticking to 50K accounts. Fuck that shit. So much better to have the 50K accounts. That's what I got all my payouts from. That's where I made all my money. So I'm gonna stick to what works. I'm gonna stay away from what I am unaware of. Not unaware of. What I am worse at. We shall see what goes down. So finally, we are out this bitch. Finally. So we will see tomorrow what goes down. Not a fun day, but fuck it. Once we're done with these accounts, we're just going straight to the 50Ks. And then we are going to move that a lot quicker, and we will get our payouts soon enough. All right. Peace out, fuckers. I'm out this B word.